So good morning then, welcome to another little ride out. Today is MOT day for the R6, and already since I've been out I've found out that the indicator button is sticking, so it's a bit of a pain to cancel. A little bit of WD-40 will probably sort that out, but the engine management light has just come on, so I don't know what's going on there. The last time that came on was a few years ago, and it was the X-up valve, and that's after the bike sat for a while, so that's not going to do anything. But it was worth a try. I remember the X-up valve stuck open and the bike was like incredibly loud on tick over, but that doesn't seem to be the case now. So I don't even know, mate. And we're going to catch the traffic lights again, aren't we, all morning. That clock is off, it's not 8:15. And I'm not playing the overtaking game either. Well, it's wet, and the fact that I haven't ridden this bike in so many years. I forgot how quick it is. Morning, Mr. Biker. So I got my gloves on today, and I got my boots on, and I got a jacket on. It's a Fox jacket, it's not a waterproof jacket, and I'm just going to be a little bit wet when I get there, I think. But today I am going down the little fast road, so 60 mile an hour, baby. I always think this bike's got more gears than what it has. I don't realise that it gets to 5th or 6th, whatever it is, as quickly as it does. It can cruise quite comfortably in the top gear without aggro, without giving me the old jitters. It's very choppy though, the throttle. It's like It's a noisy bike, isn't it? You know, that's like 5,000 revs, that. But yeah, the reason I'm getting all these bikes MOT'd ready to go is just so that I can grab them and go if I need to. If I fancy a little bit of a cruise, it's the BMW, bit of off-road, either the Husqvarna or the BMW. If I want to go and do a little bit of on and off-road, then I can take the BMW, a bit of camping, BMW. If I fancy going out for a nice just cruise to like West Wales or something, and I want a little bit of enjoyment on the way, then I can take the R6 or the Ducati. And then I've also got the project that is going to be almost good to go soon, I think. Still gathering some parts, still thinking about what I could buy extra. Do you want to use indicators and love? And then that's pretty much it, really. We're going to be approaching Christmas before we know it, and then we'll be in 2024, where I plan on doing a lot more riding than I've done this year, for sure. Engine management light's still on. That's a fail, that is. I'm sure if the engine management light is on, it's a fail. So that's not good. Waste of a day already. I'm going to see what I can do then. I'm going to see if I can plug that little connector that I've got, the OBD connector, to it, and see what that tells me if it does fail. But hopefully it may reset itself by the time it starts. well, well, that don't make sense. It may reset itself by the time he started the MOT. Oh, it's nice riding this bike again. Such a good bike. But yeah, bikes are meant to be ridden. If they're not ridden, these little faults start popping up and things don't move as freely as they should. So I'm a little bit annoyed really, but what can you do, innit? Hindsight is a wonderful thing. I'm just hoping that the microphone on this helmet is working today, because I've had issues with this one in the past where, well, in fact I changed the microphone today, but you notice, like, you change a microphone, you go out, you do something, and it's in such a bad position that you're catching all the wind and it just ruins everything. So we'll see how it goes, innit? I was kind of hoping that it wasn't going to rain today, but Wales never fails. I can't complain really. It's been lovely weather this year, like in these sort of cold summer months, and it's just been really good. But I think if I'd pulled my finger out a bit more with the BMW, I could have got that a bit more sorted a bit quicker and then done a bit more on it. But we live and learn, and like I said, life has got in the way before, so you know, there's probably a reason why I didn't do it. But there we go. Oh, the engine management light has gone off now. Just in time. That must be the exit valve. I wonder if it's not opening. Or if it's opening so far and then getting stuck. Either way, it's a project for another day. Might even take it off now. May even remove it. But we'll see. We'll see. Anyway, we are coming up to the test centre. I'll take you in like I did before with the BMW, the BMW. That's alright, mate, go on. Cheers. Look at this, some dickheads are parked and blocked the road. Absolute melts, man. What's wrong with people? So here we are. Catch you in a bit. So she's passed there. Nice new fresh MOT on this. It did actually fail to begin with, but they put a reflector on the back, retested it, and now it's passed. Thankfully the engine management light stayed off, and I think they just squirted some UV40 or WD-40 rather on the little indicator stalk, because that's nice and free now as well. I'm going to put a little bit more on it as well, just to make sure it just stays free. But other than that, it's all good. But today I'm not going to waffle on. The weather is absolutely crap, and I'm going to pop in to see my sister, see how she's doing, I think. But thanks very much for watching this hopefully quick little episode, depending on how I get to edit it. But thanks very much for watching. We got another bike ready now for a year of motoring. No doubt we're gonna have rain and snow probably this year, but that brings this episode to an end. Thanks very much for watching, thanks for following, and I'll see you soon.